Hey guys, welcome to the first trading recap from March. I took two trades today. The first one was stopped in profit, and the second one was a break even trade. And yeah, let's show you these trades. First of all, the first one was the 6 a.m. candle, and the second one the 10 a.m. candle. Let's start with the 6 a.m. one. We had a 1 hour Fibonacci gap. Also had this Fibonacci right here. And the 1 hour Fibonacci gap aligned with a 50-minute Fibonacci gap right here. So my bias was clearly shorts. So I was looking for shorts. I was bearish. We had this huge wick opening gap, which we halfway filled, and then went down, retraced into the equilibrium range, which was also the opening of the wick opening gap. So we literally had a really nice setup. And yeah, when we scale down to the 1 minute time frame, we can see we tapped those Fibonacci gaps at 6:45, and the CST firstly was here, but we made a low and swapped the high again. So this was the CST. The perfect entry would have been right here, so the valid entry, because we closed below the CST. The problem was I was in school, Fox School, and because of that, I missed the entry. I think I was in the trade like right here. Yeah, Fox School. And for the TP, I just wanted to see these London lows because it was like 200 points. Yeah, so simple breakdown. And yeah, we went down pretty nicely after we had the hourly manipulation to the upside and then went back down. As you can see right here, as I told you already, I followed the 50-minute time frame to drag my stop loss. We perfectly filled the 50-minute gap right here, made a high and like a up candle and a down candle, so high. And I put my stop loss there because that's how I always trade. And as you can see, my stop loss got hit right here. So in profit, it was about half an hour. So yeah, not bad trade, but could have been a lot more if I entered above like this. Then it would have been like 2.8 or safe. But doesn't matter because it's still okay. It's profits and you can't always beat the market. So not even mad about it, just mad at school. But yeah, let's get into the second trade. This was pretty quickly. We made a big Fibonacci gap. And yeah, we just tapped it instantly. Right here, we made the CST in one candle. I don't like this. That's why I wait for another confluence. We made a 1 minute Fibonacci gap, tapped it, and that was my entry right here. So yeah, when we were so first for the target, my target was a daily high, which was equal highs right here. And yeah, when we were up here, like the first up move, we filled the NVOC on yes, and I was like, I don't really 100% like this trade because it looked good at first, but this was a news candle, which I realized later. And that's why I went break even when we were around here. I got sort of break even, and the trade would have perfectly hit TP. But not mad about it because I wouldn't have been able to accept a loss from this trade. It wasn't worth the risk for me. So yeah, not bad. Still, half an hour up for March, and I hope we can continue making green days in March. Thank you for tuning in, and see you the next day. Bye, guys.